Hi there, partners. Today I want to share with you information about custom and tradition of my city. My name is Mayra Alejandra Lazo Cruz. This is the course Material Design for Face-to-Face Environment. Let's get started. My city is Puerto Carreño. It is the capital of the Vichada department. It is a very large department, but my city is small. We have three rivers around, Vita, Meta, and Orinoco rivers. We are on the border with Venezuela. The Orinoco rivers divide us. The people of my city are as good and happy as you. People in my city like to cheer, do sport, and dance joropo. Our music to dance this very beautiful music. Women wear dress and coats. We also put a flower on our head. Men wear white shoes and white pants, coats, and hat. I love to dance joropo. My city has a lot of nature. We have large rock and look like mountains, wonderful sunsets and fauna and flora, large palms and animals such as the pink dolphin and the chigüiro. I like to swim there the Orinoco River and see the dolphin is a spectacular place. Here people like to fish because we love fish. We go with family or friends. In my city, there are some indigenous communities that live with us, such as the Sicuani and Piaroas, some speak our language, and others only communicate with their families. Do you like how they dress? Yes or not? I like the color that they use. The hymn of our city has some words in the native language of the indigenous people. I want to share with you a little of the song. I'm not a singer, but I'm going to try, okay? Puerto Carreño querido, pican su punta ancestral, amable pueblo llanero, rincón y cuna de paz. I like to share it with my family, make some culture with firewood, and tell stories. My city is amazing. I invite you to my city whenever you want. My house is your house. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.